Hi, thank you so much for watching this video. Namaste, how are you doing? Pailagu, Kuchiku, however you like to be treated. Thank you so much for watching the video. My name is Shayan. Welcome to JTO Presents Shayan Reacts. Just before shooting this video, I finished watching the trailer of Mandala Murders. Mandala Murders. It's not a movie, it's a series. Yes, you are welcome for me telling you that. It's releasing on Netflix on the 25th of July. Mandala Murders is here to mess with your head as well as your chakras. And जिसने भी ये ट्रेलर एडिट किया है ना, you've done a fantastic job. Very tight editing. No scene or frame is there which doesn't add to the intrigue that you want the audience to feel. As an audience, I was very intrigued watching the trailer. Or again, very good job not giving enough of the series on the trailer itself ताकि हम ना imagine कर ले कि भाई अंत तो ऐसे होगा. So coming to the storyline of the series, it's a mythological crime thriller series. It's serial killing, but there are some rituals involved in it. The word mandala itself points to the fact कि भाई कुछ तो ritual है. There is a secret society, there is an ancient message, there is a prophecy, सब कुछ है. Now, to be honest with you, I like the fact that, Indian series and movies are exploring this mythological space for crime, thriller, or for that matter, horror, right? Because ऐसे ना हमें English series में काफी देखने को मिलता है. But Indian mythology has not been explored enough is what I feel from that angle. And our mythological literature is so rich. So I'm really intrigued by this movie. So who do we have in the star cast? We've got Vaibhav Raj Gupta, जिनको आपने गुल्लक में देखा था. We've got Vaani Kapoor in a slightly different avatar than what you're generally used to seeing. And she, from the trailer, it looks like she's pulling off the role with aplomb. Surveen Chawla ji bhi hai is movie mein, who brings a lot of intensity and maybe emotional baggage. And Shreya Pilgaonkar. I always like seeing Shreya Pilgaonkar's face on screen. और जितना ट्रेलर से लग रहा है ऐसा लग रहा है कि श्रेया पिलगांवकर might be the mythological wild card in the series. And of course हमारे बहुत ही प्यारे रघुबीर यादव जी हैं जो पंचायत में प्रधान के रोल में थे. So anyway, the star cast looks pretty amazing. The challenge in front of the Mandala Murders crew is to keep it intriguing, to give us something that we've not seen before, but also not to make it so bizarre that it becomes a laughing stock, which kind of happened with Betal. And of course, Mandala Murders will get compared to Asur. That's a very high bar because Asur, I think, has set a very high bar. By the way, अगर आपने असुर नहीं देखा है ना, मैं कह रहा हूँ ये वीडियो आधा पॉज कर दो, जाके असुर देखो, जॉब छोड़ दो, टेक अ सबैटिकल फ्रॉम वर्क, शादी है, शादी को 2 दिन पोस्टपोन कर दो, 3-4 दिन जितना भी टाइम लगे. असुर इज फैंटास्टिक, वॉच असुर. सो माय होप फ्रॉम मंडाला मर्डर्स इज इट लैंड समवेयर क्लोज टू असुर, इफ नॉट मैच असुर कंप्लीटली. डायरेक्टर एंड को डायरेक्टर ने वादा किया है कि एवरी एपिसोड विल ऐड टू द इंट्रीग. आपको एक एपिसोड देख के लगेगा कि भाई अच्छा ये हो रहा है, सेकंड एपिसोड में अरे ये क्या हो रहा है, अरे ये हो रहा है, ऐसे ही होता रहेगा अपेरेंटली. एंड वानी कपूर जी कहती है कि डायरेक्टर ने बहुत ही उम्दा काम किया है इस पे. इस सीरीज को डायरेक्ट किया है गोपी पुत्रन ने. गोपी पुत्रन जी इज फेमस फ्रॉम मर्दानी सीरीज, मर्दानी 2 आई थिंक गोपी पुत्रन जी ने ही डायरेक्ट की थी. हैविंग सेड दैट, वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग अ लॉट फ्रॉम मंडाला मर्डर्स, एंड व्हेन यू एक्सपेक्ट अ लॉट फ्रॉम some movie or series, you also can get disappointed quite a lot. I hope that does not work out like this. I wish the team of Mandala Murders all the best, क्योंकि जितना मजा उनको उनके सक्सेस से आएगा उतना ही मजा हमें इस सीरीज को देखते हुए आएगा. I want you to watch the trailer of Mandala Murders as well and tell me what you think of it. Put it down in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching the video once again. My name is Shayan. एक चीज तो है यार, I hope this movie, this series rather, doesn't give us jump scares and all. Because क्या है कि jump scare से मेरी पैंट गीली हो जाती है, और अब एक सीरीज में कितनी बार पैंट बदलोगे, है ना. मेरे को हॉरर सीरीज से बहुत डर लगता है. सो आई होप देयर इज नॉट टू मच हॉरर इन इट. हैविंग सेड दैट, 25th of July is when it releases on Netflix. See you next week with a brand new video. Thank you so much for watching this. My name is Shine. Bye bye.